Hello viewers. Welcome to Tuli Magic Fingers Art's new drawing video. I spend a lot of time trying to make drawing videos. My small efforts will be successful then. While your boys, girls will learn a bit by looking at the drawings and draw by themselves. Your children may succeed at home or in school drawing classes. This is my belief. If you want to see any drawing video of your choice, please comment. And please support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you for your subscription. Please like and comment how you liked the video.